Hello everyone, this is Jeff Blankenship with HEB Instructional Technology, and this is an overview of how to add Google Meets to your iPad device. So to start, you'll need to find self-service on your device. You'll notice that it looks like a small multicolored square. Once you find self-service, select it to open it. Once self-service is open, choose the search icon in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. From the search window, type in the word Google Meet. When you type Google Meet, you'll see Hangouts Meet appear on your screen. You're simply going to choose the Install option. Once you see the word Reinstall appear on your screen, you'll know that you were successful in installing the application. You can now choose your Home button. When you return to your home screen, you will now see the Google Meet application is installed on your device. When you select Meet, the Welcome screen will appear. Choose the Continue button. You'll be prompted to allow access to your camera. Go ahead and select OK. You will also be prompted to allow access to your microphone. Go ahead and select OK. Once you've done this, you'll have to choose the Sign In button. When you're prompted to sign in, please use your student email. This would be your first name, last name, @student.hebisd.edu. Then select Next. On the following screen, you'll need to log in with your district username and password. This is the same username and password that you use to log onto your computer. As a student, you only have the ability to join pre-existing meetings. In the future, when you're ready to join a Google Meet, you'll need to do it in the following way. Open ClassLink, sign in with your credentials, select Canvas, choose the class that has your Meet link, and choose the option to join the Meet session for your class. When you do this, you'll automatically be redirected to the Google Meet. If you have any questions about this process, please contact your teacher or visit the Online Learning Support website through the district homepage. Have a great day.